the Telangana wedding chicken curry. This has been requested by one of the viewers. There is a lot of drama that goes in the kitchen, especially with the cook. So here it is the feelings of the chef that matters. So today I am going to show you how to make this Telangana chicken wedding curry. Hot. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sasri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your war chef at wareva.com. And today I am going to make this Telangana wedding chicken curry. This is very special because the chef has to do all the drama. At the end, he gets the taste what is desired by everybody and he is also satisfied. You see how this happens. So first we are going to marinate the chicken. For this, add some salt in the bowl, turmeric and some chilli powder. Also add a little bit ginger garlic paste. Now add all the chicken pieces and mix it very well. And here you want the chicken to come nice red color. A lot of people add red color into it, but I don't like to add red color, so I added the chilli powder which gives the awesome red color. Like you can add Kashmiri chilli powder for this. After marinating, put it in the fridge for at least 3-4 hours, or do what I do is, get the chicken pieces, add some salt in the water and put the chicken and leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Your chicken becomes nice and tender, so you can cook it right away. Add some oil in a pan, add a little bit of salt and add finely chopped onions. You want these onions to get slight brown color. To get the gravy, what we need to do is you need to add chironji and charmagas. You can use even poppy seeds, or I'm using watermelon seeds and melon seeds. So in this, add some water, make it into a fine paste. And now we can add this marinated chicken in this. Let this cook for a few minutes. You can also put the lid and let it cook till the chicken is slightly fried. The chicken is nicely cooked. Add this curd and also this paste. See, yogurt gives the nice sour taste. That's what we need in this. It gives a very nice, awesome taste for this dish. And now let it cook for a few more minutes. We also need to add spices. We are just going to add 3 spice powders. Add some cumin powder, coriander powder, little bit of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Let this cook with all these masalas for another few minutes. The chicken also will be cooked in the meantime. The drama begins. The cook will be upset. He will be irritated. He will be angry. And the person who is hosting the party, the message has to go. So now he has to organize the beautiful flavored drink for this. That is based on the cook's choice. So he will be upset. Now he will say whatever he wants. Sir, you have to put rum in this, otherwise it won't get taste. If the cook brings whiskey, sir, whiskey is, if you don't add, people will not be happy because you will not get the taste. The guy who's hosting the party, he will like, no, we won't add and all that. Then this guy will get even angry. He'll be shouting at other people, yeah, this thing. So finally that guy gets the message. Now he has to arrange. It depends. If the party is for 100 people, it is half a bottle. If the party is for 500 people, he needs a full bottle. Based on the number of people, he will want the bottle. So once the bottle comes, automatically the face, he will have the smile. So he will pour very little for the chicken and fully for the cook. Little for the chicken, fully for the cook. So now the drama begins. So he will be there. He will add the things what will bring the real taste to it. This chicken curry has to be sour. So what happens is, if you take a rumali roti, you eat with this with little onion, it will be like little bit sour and you will thoroughly enjoy it. So for the sourness, you're going to add the chili sauce, the Chinese chili sauce. You get a lot of chili sauces like this in Hyderabad, the cheap ones. Then they put the chili sauce. In a lot of biryanis and other things, they add vinegar. So even in the biryanis, when they serve, previously in the restaurant, nowadays I don't see them, little bit of that brown vinegar, even little bit of, I've seen people adding a little bit of soya sauce. In the finale, some pepper powder. Everybody knows, the last when you add pepper powder, it gives a very nice taste. In this, some people add a little bit of mint, coriander powder. So first, as soon as you mix this, the flavor starts coming out. And then the guy, nice smell is coming, my ass. He didn't add the required spices, that's why it's not getting the smell. So now the smell and the sourness is come, and in this add some chopped coriander and some mint also if you want. The chicken is all ready. It's got the sourness, and also, people add a little bit of tomato ketchup. That also gives nice sweetness and the sourness, great combination. Why don't I also add? You can add a little bit of ketchup. This is nice, a little bit oily, and this wedding chicken curry is all ready. All the cooking has to be done. In the last he will do. That is what I respect these guys. They don't drink before the food is all ready. So, he will open the bottle. In this, he adds very little. That should be good enough. And then, some drama. They'll do something like this. Mix the chicken. Now, the assistant, he will bring a steel glass, give some bundi, and the cook will sit in one corner. So the chicken is all ready. Last dum, switch off the flame. One for the chicken. What about the chef? Now, it's for me. Chicken got its quota. Now, pour. This will not stay anywhere. Now, this one will hide here. Look at this. It will get there. And in this, add water. There will be some little thing for him to eat. Now the service for the wedding begins, and the service for the cook also begins. Ab maza aayega chicken. Look at this. This is very simple. This is the Telangana wedding chicken curry, which is red in color. It is light sour, and some whiskey went into it. But most of the whiskey goes for the boss. Everybody gets good chicken. The cook, he is the boss. Whatever, if it is a wedding, it doesn't matter. Hot, hot, hot. Cooking for 500-600 people is not a joke. After that, you need a drink. Must. This chicken is ideal for a naan, roti, rumali roti specially. This is outstanding chicken. YouTube में सबको बोल देना वाह शेफ वापस आ गया धमाल मचाने. ठीक है, मस्त खाओ, मस्त एंजॉय करना, हाँ, दबा के खाना.